Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Nutella ice cream. This incredibly easy, no-churn recipe requires just a few basic ingredients and no special equipment. You will need 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 3/4 of a cup of your favorite chocolate hazelnut spread. A touch of vanilla extract, about 1/2 teaspoon, can also enhance the flavor. Let's get started on this delightful frozen treat. First, take your 2 cups of very cold heavy cream and whip it using an electric mixer until soft peaks appear. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. In a separate, large bowl, combine the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk with 3/4 of a cup of Nutella. If your Nutella is a bit stiff, you can warm it gently for about 20 seconds in the microwave to make it easier to mix. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Now for the crucial step, gently fold the whipped cream into your Nutella and condensed milk mixture. Do this in 2 separate additions to maintain the cream's airy texture. Use a spatula to carefully incorporate the whipped cream, mixing until just combined. Avoid overmixing, as this can deflate the cream and make your ice cream less creamy. Once fully combined, pour the entire mixture into a freezer-safe container, such as a 9x5-inch loaf pan, and smooth the top. Finally, cover your container tightly with a lid or a plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to firm up completely. When you're ready to enjoy your delicious treat, remove it from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. This will make it much easier to scoop. Serve and savor your homemade, creamy Nutella ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.